Round two, fight! Okay, so today's video is going to be BoxyCharm. And I am doing quite a few videos in a row because I haven't had a lot of time to do the videos, and so I'm doing them all now, and I made myself all pretty for you guys. But it is right after the dentist, so you're gonna see the fact that like half of my face is not quite moving the right way because it's completely numb because they fixed a tooth and it's fixed and that's wonderful, but I can't move my mouth quite the same way, so it's gonna look funky, and I apologize for that, but it was either funky face or no video, so here you go. Enjoy my funky face. So I'm just gonna dig right into it. I did actually open these up and try them. So I'm just gonna go into the big bang here. What everybody loves in this box is probably the fact that they get a complete palette in this box. It's BoxyCharm and Pure made a collaboration. And here are the color choices in there. So I really like all the colors in there. They are quite pigmented. I do have the blue on my eyes right now. I have tried some of the other top layer of neutral colors as well. And another day I did choose to try out this magenta color, which I really liked. And this black kind of glittery color is really nice too, just to kind of do that outer V corner is really nice to kind of deepen the eyes. And I overall like the palette. I think I would have liked to have maybe like a highlight color in the palette, like a nice like inner corner highlight that you could put in, or like a brow bone highlight in the palette would have made a nice combination for everything. But I do like the fact that there's some fun colors in there, and I really did need, or not need, but like I wanted a nice kind of powerful blue in my collection, so I'm excited since I was like, what? Blue? Totally gonna wear that today, and did. Done. Challenge completed. So overall, I like this palette. A couple of the colors just didn't like come off as well for me. I used like the neutral colors for kind of creating a base. I kind of used the Urban Decay palette for kind of doing the neutral colors on my eyes today, and then just added like the intense color from this on top of it. And I like the golden color in here, and there's like a little champagne called Charmer in here. So Charmer, Alliance, the gold color, and Maya, this blue color that I have. I really like the BFF, which is the magenta color in here, and the Boxy Black's really good. So like there's a lot of good colors in this, so I'm really happy about this palette. And then next up in here is the Pretty Vulgar, and it is a blush. Now, it is a pretty intense blush, guys. This is like super pink. I don't know when you'll ever need something this pink. It just seems like I'm wearing it now, but I barely tapped into it. You barely touch it to like get a little bit of color on. It's super pigmented. I mean, it's a high-end blush. I'm super excited to have it, and it's called Make Them Blush 111 Prime Vixen. So I love the packaging, super cute packaging, but it's just not necessarily my favorite color. It's a little bit too intense for like a blush for me. I prefer more of like a neutral kind of, I don't know, more towards the brownie side, or like a more of a deeper kind of burgundy color instead of like such bright intense pink. You have to be very careful to tap, not dig into this guy, but it blends out very well, so I like it. But I probably won't grab it. Next up in here are the vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye brush set. Now I have not opened these because I actually have like a lot of brushes in my collection already, like a lot. And I think these would make a really, really cute gift to someone, especially since I have quite a bit of people within my family and friends and stuff like that who don't actually have like a vast collection of brushes, that I think these would be like really cute gift for them and help them kind of build their collection as well. I feel wasteful opening these and seeing whether or not they're good or not based on the fact that like I don't necessarily like need them right now. So keep them pristine, and there's super cute packaging. I think my favorite part of it is that like on the brushes themselves, they say like step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, and step 3, go girl go. I mean, it's not super helpful to tell you like what one you need to use for what step in the eye process, but it's pretty cute. But it gives you a step-by-step on the back here. So I'm pretty happy with that. The other items in here are South Main like eye gel packs. I have not used this yet. I'll probably use this later. But I have noticed in other videos that I've seen people use these in, they kind of just slide off, and that's usually the case for most of the eye things that are gel. Like if they're not just like an what am I trying to say? God, I have words. I really do. But if they're not just like a cloth or like a cotton like infused like eye patch, it's the gels they just kind of fall unless you're like staying like laying down so that they stay where they're supposed to. Other than that, they just kind of like start creeping, and you have to keep on like pushing them up, and then they start creeping, and then you push them up. I've never been fond of like the jelly pack ones, but I've seen other people use them, and I feel like I don't want to waste them, but I don't want to like I don't want to have to fuss with them either. I don't know. I have mixed feelings on this. It's not like a plus for me in this particular unboxing. And then last but not least, it is the Double Decker Lashes Mascara, and it says wow wow from Butter London. I do like getting mascaras, especially full size and everything like that, from my subscriptions. However, I have been getting enough because we also got the last month we got like a Tarte mascara, and it's just I don't go through mascara fast enough to have been ready for another mascara. So yeah, I won't be opening it. I won't be trying it right now. Not that I won't try it. It's just I have to get through the rest of my pile first, because I don't like being wasteful. I don't want to open it and have it like start its like digression process. I don't want it to like start degrading on me, and then like by the time I actually get to wear it, I'm gonna be like, oh, it's all dried up and gross and useless. So I just really want these to like I want it to be good by the time I want to use it, or maybe I'll be able to give it to someone who can use it right away. But either way, I don't want to be wasteful. So that is the items from here. And honestly, the 2 items that I'm most happy about are the BoxyCharm collaboration palette and the little brushes. I think they're adorable. I think they'll make a great gift for someone. And like the mascara, I'm not like upset with it. I probably won't use it for a while, so I won't be able to know whether or not I love it or hate it until like a while. Cause like I literally, before I unboxed this, bought a mascara because it was like 50% off, and I've always wanted to try it, from Urban Decay. And so I tried that, and that's what I'm wearing right now, and I rather like it so far, but I kind of have to use up what I have before I start opening other things. I know you've heard enough of that. overall, I think BoxyCharm is always like on point, as in like I don't feel like I've wasted my money because it's 20 bucks, oh, $21. And I feel like I get my money's worth every single time. Like even if there's like items I wouldn't necessarily purchase, there's at least one item in there that I would have spent $20 on. So it seems like it, at the very least, on ones where I don't get everything that I want, it's a wash. And on other months, I get like tons of things that I like, and I'm like, yeah, score. And like, there's over $100 worth of stuff that I got for like 20 bucks. So overall, really love it. Great BoxyCharm this month. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel before, please do. I'd love to have you join the other voices in my head on the internet. I'd love for you to be a part of my internet family. That would be wonderful. So subscribe below. Don't forget to like this video if this is something that you like to watch and you like to see more of them. And until the next time, you'll see maybe 1 or 2 more videos of me looking like this for other unboxings, so keep an eye out for those. I don't know what order I'll be putting these up, but right now I am doing the video for BoxyCharm, which I just did, and then also Ipsy, and then I have Glossybox and Ricky's Cult Crushes. So until next time, I hope that you'll continue on and see the rest of my videos. Bye guys. Again, apologize for my numb lip. I really hope this goes away soon. Bye.